like, I'll take pictures. You know what? She's taking pictures with much better taste. Oh, that like that? Wow.
Ooh. Hell yeah. That was just like overhead last year. Weeping Willow right there. That is fucking good.
But don't cover her eyes. She needs to see
not
it.
her eyes, just her ears.
She's fine. I think her ears are taking.
Yeah, that's
I think that's not anywhere near as loud as anything else.
That's why they're so perfect.
Oh, damn.
You want to go get it?
He just said groovy.
Ruby is a word.
Unfortunately, it is.
Yes. It's in the Scrabble dictionary. It counts.
I shouted you.
Scrabble door.
You only talk about what you know. It's in the dictionary.
This way, that way.
Damn.
They have some, they're like shades.
You know, if we were a big city, we'd have seen them.
Love burning girl
Well,
out
like
here.
those, yes.
Oh,
Some people just got burned.
Pony Enterprise to like do music and the
That looked like balls.
I wish it should just keep on forever. I'd be
Yeah, dude, I thought they
happy.
were supposed to hook up.
I would live
Good.
right.
Hey, come up here. You're gonna miss about a year. You can walk back to house.
I've got drunk. I'm sorry. How dare me?
Layla, you're being so good. You want another
You got a real tiny fucking
Oh,
skills.
I just sharpened my game before a game.
oh, that is great.
Shut up and watch! Shut up! Shut up!
That was funny. I'm very disappointed, Dave.
There, you're like, there you go, dog, and it was for the dog.
Yeah, it was for the dog.
Fireworks? Have you seen fireworks like this before?
Oh, fucking
First
beautiful.
time, really?
Yeah, this is fucking beautiful. The way they put a couple of them big ass together and shit.
Yeah.
It's fun trying to like take them out places.
We have to do it.
Me and my daddy, all of us, they went, what was it, South Carolina, North Carolina, some fireworks that blow up in the air like that.
We didn't see a
Big as
whole
shit.
show like this.
No, not the whole show. We just light like 2 cannons at a time.
You can see, we got to nail it right. Do it right. Right here. You go like that.
Oh,
and
no,
you
yeah,
walk
you-
backwards.
Until you bump into something. You can like go like 3 blocks and then you go down a flight of stairs backwards. You know, I mean.
I love their clouds out. We get a
We
lot of
didn't really think out the whole. That's
But it sounded good.
yeah.
Yeah, we didn't think about the
That's
Dude, I'm sorry you broke your neck. It was awful.
Yeah, really. There's no sense me recording this with Steve's high caliber.
Dude, that camera's badass.
Like, yeah.
You got it. You see that.
Oh, it's just smoke.
Special lips.
Looks like
The
clouds.
sacred lips. The sacred lips. That was a sacred lips fire.
Oh, yeah, I like that.
Oh, that was
This can be nice.
I know.
Grew up in what she likes.
Oh, she likes
Shut
what?
up!
You see all the geese right there?
Oh, that's nice.
You see all the geese hanging out
Oh,
right
is
there?
this the finale? It's the finale.
Oh, yeah, because all the geese are like, oh my god, what's going on?
It's the end of the world. This happens every year. Why do they do this? Why do they do this?
This is fucking pretty, dude.
Have you seen my feet?
No, we don't want to. It's all right, Bruce. I mean,
My feet are Dude, you need like a full-on chemical.
There's no song in it.
You're like, ouch.
Shut up! You make me hot.
Yeah, there's little couch right there.
That was nice.
Isn't that crazy?
I used to, I'm 5 now. I gave up on crack.
Then I wanted more and I didn't like that.
Yeah, they might.
I'm just sitting over here.
Oh, that is
Should we give you in one whole one or no?
I know, man. He doesn't use dog treats when he delivers pizzas, but when he comes over to hang out with Layla, yeah. Oh, is that what's up?
Wow,
I love all the purple and green.
Oh, David and Steve, that Primus tribute show.
Yeah, the one we missed was awesome.
Yeah,
they were
Yeah,
Of course it was.
Loves to say that. doesn't he? You know that show you missed? The fucking best
Yeah.
show ever.
Yeah, great news. Oh, yeah, that's all right. Yeah.
It was probably the best show I've ever seen in my life, and you weren't there.
Did you text me about that? Because I can read the text later.
I might have, honestly.
just call me.
You text me.
I didn't get the phone call.
I called you twice.
I never got it. What's the part about it?
Wait a minute. Get out there on that foot.
Oh, that one. They're like silk. They're like,
oh my god, that is pretty, dude. Oh.
Crazy one.
oh, I'm finding new ones every second. Oh, look at that.